All right, class. Welcome back to week 2 of our unit on the Constitution. So I just want to go back and review some of our reading questions that we covered and have a little discussion. So essential question again here for this section is, why is the Constitution a document of compromise? Okay, so first question goes back to a little bit of what we learned in section 1, where we were talking about major problems with the Articles of Confederation. So let's review those really quick. What were some of the issues we ran into with the Articles of Confederation? And why don't we start a discussion on that? Who would like to go first? Maybe giving us some of those issues that we found with it. All right, very good. Yep, so just quick review, those issues, right, were the lack of power. Okay, the state held the power. We didn't have a strong central government. No taxation, which was the big one. Without taxation, federal government was having to sell lawful land, and we know, right, that land is a finite item, so we cannot just continue to do that. Okay. Another factor was the Depression. We go in, we had damage, right? Let's talk about what were some of those factors that the reason why we were experiencing a depression. Why don't we start out with Kim telling us about that? Yep, very good. Right? Who else out there would like to talk? Now, Shays Rebellion, right? What was Shays Rebellion about? And what I'm looking for here is, why are we talking about it in this chapter? What is its significance when we're talking about the Constitution? Okay, so let's have a little bit of discussion on that. All right, good. Then we continue on with the rest of these questions, right? Talking about all of those. Moving down to, right, when we talk about, okay, the actual meeting for the Constitution. So who proposed it? 76. And then when did it actually start? Then who was the father of the Constitution? And who led the meeting? Very good, right? And we continue down. Okay, Virginia plan, New Jersey plan. We're going to leave those two and these last questions for next week. All right, and I really want you to focus on these two: the Virginia plan, the New Jersey plan, and the Great Compromise. Okay, who created it? What did it propose? And what we're going to do, and I'm going to have you turn in, is a Venn diagram of the three of these, okay, and what we got out of that. So we've done that before, so just take a look at those. All right, we can also add in the 3/5 compromise to that as well. All right, another great session this week, spending about 40 minutes talking to each other. If you have any questions, you can always email me those questions. I'll get back to you right away. If you want some one-on-one time, just text me the number and we'll get on a video chat and we can talk if you need some one-on-one discussion. Great seeing everyone again. Thanks a lot, and we will talk to you next week. Now, don't forget, next week, right, I'm going to be introducing that project to you. So let's keep that in the back of our mind. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.